Manipur Youth League Mayol's Long March for National Regeneration has entered day 8 today. The Long March began from Kakching Higher Secondary School today at 7 a.m. and is scheduled to proceed and held at YVA Ground Wangjing and to hold the night at YK College Wangjing. Members and participants will hold meetings at Langathel Ibudho Pakang Balaishang and Wangjing YVA Ground opposite Wangjing Kaitel Thobal District. It may be mentioned that yesterday's day 7 of Long March commenced from Kakching Kuno College, passing through Kakching Kuno, Waikong, Thongjau, Elangpokpi, Makha Thongnaujam, and Langmaidong and conducted a public meeting at Langmaidong ground. In yesterday's gathering, Dr. Homen Thangjum, IGNTU, spoke and highlighted on the current scenario in the state. In today's Day 8 Long March, the first session of general public meeting will be addressed by Oja Hemanth Ningombam.